Welcome back to Decode Finance, your go-to channel for mastering financial literacy. Today, we're diving into a fundamental topic that lays the groundwork for financial success: budgeting. Whether you're saving for a rainy day, planning for a big purchase, or simply aiming for financial freedom, understanding the basics of budgeting is essential. Stick around, because by the end of this video, you'll be equipped with the knowledge to take control of your finances like a pro. Picture this. You receive your paycheck, and before you know it, the money seems to vanish into thin air. Sound familiar? You're not alone. Many people struggle with managing their finances effectively. Without a solid budgeting strategy, it's easy to lose track of where your money is going, leaving you feeling stressed and uncertain about your financial future. But fear not. Budgeting doesn't have to be daunting. In fact, it can be empowering and liberating once you grasp the basics. Let's break it down step by step, starting with the foundation of any successful budget: understanding your income and expenses. First up, income. This includes your salary, wages, side hustle earnings, any money coming into your pocket. Next, expenses. These are the various costs you incur, from bills and groceries to entertainment and savings goals. By tracking your income and expenses, you gain valuable insights into your financial habits and where adjustments may be needed. But wait, there's more. We'll also explore techniques like the 50-30-20 rule and zero-based budgeting to help you allocate your money wisely and achieve your financial goals. Congratulations! You've made it to the end of our crash course on budgeting basics. Now, it's time to put your newfound knowledge into action. Don't forget to hit that like button if you found this video helpful, and subscribe to Decode Finance for more tips on mastering your money.